Hello and thank you for joining me today on this exciting topic. I'm your host, Sarah, and I'm here with Dr. John, an AI expert who's going to take us on a journey through the basics of computer vision.
Thanks, Sarah. Computer vision is one of my favorite areas in AI, and it has numerous applications in fields like robotics, healthcare, and security. But before we dive into its practical uses, let's start with the basics. Can you tell me what comes to mind when people think of computer vision?
Well, I think many people might associate it with self-driving cars or facial recognition systems, but that's only a small part of its capabilities. What are some core concepts that we should cover in this series to give our listeners a solid understanding?
That's a great question, Sarah. We'll need to cover the fundamentals of image processing, object recognition, and scene understanding. But before we get into those topics, I think it would be helpful to explain what computer vision actually is and how it differs from other AI disciplines.
That makes sense. Can you give our listeners a brief overview of the history behind computer vision and its evolution over time?
So, let's dive into some core concepts. At the heart of computer vision is understanding how images are formed. This involves light interacting with physical objects and being captured by sensors such as cameras.
That makes sense. But what happens to that raw data once it's collected?
The next step is the computer vision pipeline, which is essentially a series of processes applied to the image in order to extract useful information. This can include steps like image filtering and thresholding.
I see. So, this pipeline helps the computer narrow down what's relevant from all that raw data?
Exactly. And once we've filtered out irrelevant information, we can use feature extraction techniques to identify key aspects of the image.
In conclusion, we've explored the basics of computer vision and how it enables computers to perceive and understand the world around them. Dr. AI Expert, summarize your key takeaways from this conversation.
Computer vision is a fundamental building block for many AI applications, including image recognition, object detection, and facial analysis. It's based on deep learning techniques that allow computers to interpret visual data from images or videos.
You mentioned earlier that computer vision is used in various industries such as healthcare, security, and retail. Can you give us some examples of how it's being applied?
In the healthcare sector, computer vision can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately by analyzing medical images. In security, facial recognition technology helps identify individuals in real time. Retailers use it to analyze customer behavior and improve marketing strategies.
That's fascinating. And what about the future of computer vision? Are there any emerging trends or technologies that you're excited about?
One area we'll see significant advancements is in edge computing and real-time processing. This will enable computers to analyze visual data more efficiently and make decisions without relying on the cloud. Another exciting trend is the integration of computer vision with other AI technologies, such as natural language processing.
Wow, it's amazing to think about the potential applications and innovations that will come from these advancements. Thank you for sharing your expertise with us today, Dr. AI Expert.
This tutorial is brought to you by Malik Abwalzait.